Hey guys, so it's been difficult to actually create consistent content. I mean, when you work a full-time job and you're trying to get the project finished, it's actually an unbelievable amount of work even to get out the poor quality content that I do. But I'm doing my best. I've been, procrastinating a lot lately. As you can see, I started on the wiring and at least have the basics finished. And now I need to move on to the lights and accessories. As far as the truck, my friend got the Crown Vic front end in and fully functional, just waiting on a power steering pump for that. And he got that Cougar rear end mocked up, and unfortunately now he had to go to work for 3 weeks out of town, so it's gonna sit there. So I'll take that time to order some parts, and unfortunately I still can't order the wheels until we get that rear end in and take some measurements. But still, the project's moving quick and can't wait to drive that truck and the van as well. Now the biggest thing is I just need to place an order for some radiator hoses and I guess get it on the road. Honestly, I'm a bit scared to get it on the road because something is surely going to break, and at that point I'm going to be over the project. So we'll see. As always, thank you guys for watching, and thanks for subscribing if you're already subscribed. If you're not, please do. And we'll see you next time, and hopefully I'll have a longer video for you.